What's going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how to clean your manifold sensor pressure in your Cummins X15. It's locating at the driver's side, guys. Cummins X15. Look at the tag right there. That's your dipstick tag. That's it. You see that sensor plugged down right there? That's it. You need 10mm socket to lose that bolt right there. Once you lose it, you don't have to take it all off. Just lose it little, so this, once it's loose, you can pull this sensor out. 10mm socket. Okay, put it there. Make sure it's you don't have to take it all off. You see that? Do you see that piece of metal right there? Just move this one like that, and then gently pull that off. It might be stuck there. That's okay. So if it's stuck, put you something, you know. Gently. This is so important to clean because it does affect your truck performance. If you don't clean it, it will make your truck lose power, throws code. Anyways, take it off slowly, gently. See how bad is this? See that? Really? Look at the carbon. Look. So you need to clean that. There's an O-ring around. Don't lose that O-ring. And don't make anything fall on that hole. Right, let's clean this. That's so bad. See, have to clean it. Brake cleaner, guys. Use brake cleaner or the sensitive cleaner. And spray this. Look the black. Spray that brake cleaner. Clean it really good. Okay. Do you see that the metal thing right there inside the sensor? Once you start seeing it, that means you are cleaning good, and that's enough. But it's up to you. I will leave it to get dry, and I will put it back. Just put that gently. All right. Just easy, easy. Left, right, left, right. That should be it. Should snug in there. And that's it. Cannot go anymore. So put this key, the lock key, press the sensor down. You see it? Yeah, this key right there. And tight. That's good. And that's how you get this done. Your manifold pressure sensor.